Students, today I will discuss noun. Okay, this is where day 4, noun. What is noun? Already I have discussed. The countable and uncountable already I have discussed each and everything. Today I will discuss errors of noun. What is each type of error? Whenever you will do examination, problem of noun, okay, then you will face lots of problem while understanding it. So today I will solve your all doubts in this chapter. So try to understand. Try to understand it. Yes, he is working to help the poor. Okay, he is working to help the poor. The poor is given. He is working to help the poor. Poor part is given. He is working to help the poor. So it is incorrect. Okay, it is incorrect. He is working to help the poor, not poor. What will the correct answer? He is working to help the poor. It is correct answer. Clear? Poor, not poor. Understand? Sam bought 2 dozens apple. 2 dozen, 3 dozen, 4 dozens. S will be not written. Okay. S will be not written. Dozen, only dozen. D-O-Z-E-N. S is incorrect. Okay. Sam bought 2 dozen apple. So Sam bought 2 dozen apple. This is correct. Clear? I have bought $2 note. I have $10 note. So I have $10, not dollars. It is incorrect. So I have $10 note. Clear? This is correct. Mathematics are not an easy subject. The mathematics is not an easy subject. Mathematics is not an easy subject. In this way, you will solve it, which I am going to discuss. Please see it. Try to understand. Correct the errors in the sentence given below. Rewrite the sentence in the blank space. One has been done for you. Okay. So please see it. One has been done for you already. Here is your reading glass. Here is your reading glass. Here are your reading glass. Okay. Here are your reading glass. Okay. Next, she is studying Urdus at the university. She is studying Urdu, not Urdus. Okay, at the university. In this way, you will solve it. And you have already solved this exercise. In spite of this is a revision class, I am going to discuss it. Okay, in this way, you will solve 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. She bought 2 dozens apples. The 2 dozens is incorrect. 2 dozen, D-O-Z-E-N. She bought 2 dozen apples. Okay. Then in this way you will solve it. Okay. And I am going to share my own experience with you. How will you solve this type of examples? Because in your examination, this question. She bought 2 dozens apple, it will be given, and there are 4 options will be given. You will have to tick in correct answer. Okay. So I am going to give you some some examples. Please see it. Please try to see it. Nouns number. You will have to find out the errors. Okay. Which type of error you will find? I am going to discuss it. Please see it. Please see the error. One number. Sarla has no issues. Okay. Sarla has no issues. Okay. It is what? It is incorrect. It is incorrect. Correct answer? Sarla has no issue. This is correct. This is Clear? Sarla has no issue. Understood? Second number example. She had gone to buy fruits. She has gone to buy fruits. It is incorrect. Correct? She had gone to buy fruit. Okay, here fruits is incorrect. Clear? This is correct. It is correct answer. Understand? Next and last example I am going to discuss. Her hairs are jet black. Her hairs are jet black. This is incorrect. Okay. What will be the correct answer? Her hairs is jet black. Okay, this is the example. If you have understood how to find out the error, then it is very good. If you have not understood the if you have not understand, if you are facing any problem while understanding it, then you will comment. I will give you more examples. If you have understood, then there are no problem. Okay, thanks for watching this video.